Okay, the next question is a 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meters in height from a point at certain distance. Okay, so let us suppose to take, let AB be the temple, okay, and CD be the boy. Okay, so here the temple height is 30 meters mentioned in the question. Okay, so temple which is 30 meters in height, that means AB value is 30 meters, and 1.5 meters tall boy, that means the height of the boy is here 1.5, that means CD value is 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 meters tall boy is watching at the top of the temple, that means this boy is watching to the top of the temple. Okay, so as he, okay, from a point at certain distance, that means he is looking at the top of the temple from point C. Okay, so the angle of elevation from his height to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks toward the temple. So as he walks toward the temple, the angle of elevation to the top of the temple changes from 30 to 60. It is mentioned in the question. That means here the angle is 30 degrees when the boy is at the position CD. Okay, so let DE be the distance walked by the boy. Okay, so that means the boy will be in the position of EF after walking a certain distance DE. Okay, so the angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees here. Okay, so angle of elevation changes from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks toward the temple. That means, so he is walked at a distance of DE. Okay, so after walking at a distance of DE, the angle of elevation changes from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Okay, so we have to find the distance he walked toward the temple. That means we have to find the DE value. Okay, okay, so let us assume, let AB be the temple and CD be the boy. Okay, so AB value given that 30 meters and CD value equal to 1.5 meters. Okay, alright, CD value equal to 1.5 meters. Okay, and DE be the distance walked by man. Okay, and angle AC, let us suppose to take this as G. Okay, angle ACG equal to 30 degrees, angle AFG equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and DE is the distance walked by boy. Okay, distance walked by boy. Okay, so DE is the distance walked by the boy. So from the figure, okay, so from the figure DE value equal to CF value and CD value equal to BG value. Okay, so from figure CD equal to BG. Okay, so CD equal to EF equal to BG. Okay, so CD equal to EF equal to BG. So that means CD value here is 1.5. Therefore EF value is also 1.5 and same BG value is also 1.5 meters. Okay, and DE value equal to CF value. Okay, so DE equal to CF. Okay, and similarly BE equal to FG. Okay, and BE equal to FG from the figure. Okay, and also, so we can obtain the AG value. Okay, so if we subtract BG from AB, we get AG value. Okay, so AG equal to AB minus BG. Okay, so AB value is mentioned in the question that the temple height is 30 meters. So AB is 30 minus BG value is, so here CD equal to EF equal to BG equal to 1.5. That means BG value is 1.5 meters. Okay, so 30 minus 1.5, that means 28.5 meters. So therefore AG value is 28.5 we have obtained. Okay, so we have now consider these two triangles. So here we have obtained two triangles, that is AFG one triangle and ACG is other triangle. Okay, so first consider first triangle AFG. Okay, in triangle AFG, so if we apply tan here, opposite by adjacent, that means we can find the value of FG. Okay, so in triangle AFG, tan 60 equal to AG by FG. Okay, so tan 60 equal to AG by FG. So it implies the tan 60 value we know that root 3. Okay, so root 3 equal to AG value we have obtained is 28.5. Okay, so 28.5 by FG. Okay, so FG comes to the left side and root 3 comes to the right side and get divided. That means FG equal to 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so FG value we have obtained. And now in triangle ACG. Okay, in triangle ACG. Okay, if you apply tan here, so AG by CG. Okay, so tan 30 equal to opposite by adjacent, AG by CG. Okay, so tan 30 value we know that 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 equal to AG value we have obtained is 28.5. Okay, so 28.5 by CG value. So CG is CF plus FG. Okay, so from the figure CG value can be calculated as CF plus FG. Okay, so CF plus FG. Okay, so it implies that 1 by root 3. So this CF plus FG gets multiplied with the left side term. That means CF plus FG by CF by FG or cross multiply. Okay, CF by FG, CF plus FG equal to root 3 into 28.5. Okay, so here FG value we have obtained is 28.5. Okay, 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so substitute 28.5 by root 3 in place of FG. So CF plus 28.5 by root 3 equal to 28.5 into root 3. Okay, so root 3 into 28.5 is 28.5 root 3. So now this plus 28.5 by root 3 comes to the right side and becomes as minus 28.5 by root 3. So CF equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so root 3 gets multiplied with this term. That means 28.5 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so 28.5 into 3 is 28.5 into 3. That means 3 5 is 15. 3 is the 24 plus 1, 25. 5 3 2 6 plus 85. Okay, so 85.5 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so 85.5 minus 28.5. 5 gets cancelled here. So 15 if we got 7. So from 7 to 57. Okay, so 57 by root 3 CF value. So now multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3. Okay, so 57 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, so its value equal to 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 1s are 2 7 27. That means 3 9s are. So 19 root 3. Okay, equal to 19 root 3. We can substitute the value of root 3 here. So 19 into root 3 value is 1.732. Okay, so 19 into 1.732. 0.732 into 19. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 are 27. 28 82. 9 7s are 63. 65. 9 1 are 9 plus 6 is 15. And 7. 1 7 3 2. 8. 10. 9. 12. 3. Okay. So before 3 digits point, before 3 digits. So 32.908 meter. So CF value here we have obtained is 32.908. So CF value is equal to DE. Okay, so from the figure DE equal to CF we have written here. Okay, so CF equal to DE. That means DE is the distance walked by the man. Okay, so here DE is the distance walked by the boy. That means therefore DE equal to CF equal to 32.908 meters. So therefore the distance walked by the boy is 32.908 meters. So this is the answer.